Welcome to this video. In this discussion, we are taking group acting on themselves by conjugation. And at the end of this lecture, we will study a very important topic of abstract algebra, that is class equation. Okay, this is very important. If we talk about conjugation, then we took G as a group acting on itself. देन कॉन्जुगेशन का मीनिंग है हम इस तरीके के एलिमेंट्स को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जी एक्स जी इनवर्स। ये जो एलिमेंट है दैट इज द कॉन्जुगेट कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ एक्स। ठीक है, इस तरीके के एलिमेंट्स को हम बोलते हैं कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ एक्स। अब इस ऑपरेशन को या फिर इस कंसेप्ट को हम यूज़ करके ग्रुप एक्शन डिफाइन करने वाले हैं, जो ऑलरेडी हमने हमारे इनिशियल लेक्चर्स में देखा था। So let us start the group action by the conjugation. Okay, so let G be any group and G be any group acting on itself. That means जब भी हम itself की बात कर रहे हैं, that means our non-empty set is now G by conjugation. Okay, conjugation means we have this operation G star A is same as G A G inverse. For all G belongs to G and A belongs to A, that is equal to G. Okay, where you can see if G is element of A, that is equal to G, and this particular A element is belongs to G, then this G A G inverse is nothing but an element of G. So again we are, जैसे हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में देखा था, जब हम लेफ्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन की बात करते हैं तो उसमें भी हम ग्रुप के एलिमेंट्स को परम्यूट कर रहे होते हैं, और यहाँ पर भी हमने वैसे ही किया है। ये जो ऑपरेशंस हैं वो ग्रुप की ऑपरेशंस के साथ ही हैं। सपोज अगर एडिशन की बात है, देन जी ए जी इनवर्स रिप्रेजेंट जी प्लस ए प्लस जी इनवर्स। इफ द ऑपरेशन इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन, देन दिस प्रोडक्ट रिप्रेजेंट जी multiplied by a multiplied by g inverse. Okay, so where g a g inverse is computed in the group G as usual. ठीक है, now this star is a action because this स्टार ये कहाँ से कहाँ डिफाइन है, G क्रॉस G टू G is an action is, you can see, is for G1 G2 and A belongs to G. We have the first axiom of action is G1 star G2 star A, and that will be looks like G1 star. Now we can write G2 star A is G2 A G2 inverse by the definition of star operation, and then it will be equals to G1 G2 A G2 inverse, then G1 inverse. This is by star operation for G1. Now we can write this as G1 G2 A and G2 inverse and G1 inverse. ये हम कैसे लिख रहे हैं? This is due to associativity in G. ठीक है, now that can be written as G1 G2 A and then G1 G2 inverse. Okay, since we have that G1 G2 inverse is the That means inverse of product is same as the product of reverse with the reverse order. Okay, and which is same as g1 g2 star a. So this is about the first axiom of group action. Then you can think about E star A, that is same as E A E inverse, and that is equals to E A E, which is equal to A for all A belongs to G. Thus star is a group action of G on itself, known as conjugation. इसी ऑपरेशन को हम, इसी एक्शन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? कॉन्जुगेशन. ओके.